Welcome to my Flexjobs review. In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review about Flexjobs. If you can get paid here on Flexjobs, if you can find the right jobs for your skill, if you can make money here on Flexjobs, okay? But first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I'll send it to you into your email inbox. So Flexjobs, in a nutshell, this is a platform that helps you to find remote jobs, and also you can find the jobs near in your location. So what you can do here, they say that the number one job site to find the remote jobs, no ads, no scam, no junk. Yes, this is true. So with the Flexjobs, this is a legit website that you can find jobs. So it's good for people that they have an experience, that have any qualification to do those kind of jobs. So it's gonna be difficult for you if you don't have any experience, if you don't have any knowledge or how to find jobs. It's going to be difficult for you to get hired, because here they will need you to have some qualifications, maybe some degrees, maybe some diploma, or any tangible qualification that you need to apply here for jobs. You can also look any job that you want here on Flexjobs. You can also work on remotely either in the world, or you can also search by search. Okay, I'm gonna search now by an accountant. You can also search by location, maybe location near you. I'm just gonna check for an accountant. I'm just making an example, guys. You can also check any job that you want here. So what's gonna happen now is gonna load, and also it's gonna be showing you all of the accountant jobs that you can do. It's gonna be showing you that is in hybrid remote work, and also it's gonna be showing you how much you're gonna get paid. As you can see that you can earn between yearly in $86,000 up to $187,000 USD annually, guys. Okay, so it's gonna be showing you how many days this job has been listed here. So I highly recommend that one of the tip notes, in order to get hired here, you have to apply to jobs that have been posted not less than 5 days ago. Okay, so that means that there is no many applications that have been applied here. So if your application you post your CV, your application there is easy, that they're gonna recruit you, okay, rather than if the job is uploaded less than 2 weeks, 2 months. There are so many people that apply the job. Just a one tip. It's going to be showing the location and also the requirements that you need. You're going to work a full-time employee. You'll earn $55,000 per year up to $85,000 per year. This job is in United States, in Chicago. Okay, as you can see that when you click here, it's going to be showing you the remote work level, 100% remote, and also meaning that you can work anywhere in the world here. But the company is based in Chicago, and also you can earn 25,000 USD per year up to 85,000 USD annually. The benefits is career development. So the company, you have to sign in order to see the name of the company here. Okay, so and also you see that all of these the career level, you must have an experience in accountant, and also the travel required, specific, and also the education level, they must have a course CPA, bachelor's or undergraduate professional license, all of those things. That's how you can find jobs here on Flexible Jobs, guys. Okay, so it is easy, but as I said earlier on to you, if you don't have any qualification here on Flexible Jobs, it's gonna be difficult for you to get accepted here, because they need those qualifications in order to get accepted here. But if you want to make money online, you don't have any experience, you don't have any degree, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I'll send it to you into your email inbox, because which is the same make money online methods with high ticket affiliate marketing that you can earn over $1,000 per se. They don't need any experience, they don't need any application. All you need is the internet connection, your laptop and the phone to start making money online, so that you can work from your home and have a financial